Wang'yo mago motenre kod weche ma bende osebedo kadhi nyime od bura mar senet kuom thuolo mar odiechieng' mar ariyo kawuono. Mano bura momako gavana mar kaunti ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza. Bura mar golo e apisi gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza odonjo odiechienge mar ariyo e nyim komiti moyiedhi mar senet. Kokalo e janeno mar Kawira Mwangaza Harrison Gitonga, Mwangaza okwedo seyo 62 duto manochwal e nyim senet kod MCAs ma kaunti ma Meru. Kamachielo kinde mag MCAs ma Meru kod senators ne ochuno Kawira Mwangaza mondo duok penjo ataro kod chung' mare mokwongo. Mwangaza ne oramo ni obiro mana duoko penjo kokalo kuom kinde mage gino ma bende ne senators go obalogo. Nyakwara Ramogi nyaka gie sani wadani mondo wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka e od bura mar senet mondo owinjre ni to wach mar Kawira Mwangaza ni kata bura no koro chopo kanye gie sani.
Implement the projects together.
We've tried. Even this document was supposed to be in the county assembly, and normally what happens after the governor's address, it is discussed by the members of county assembly for 4 days, and this is what governor wanted them to discuss even in the assembly.
Have they ever communicated with the governor or the office of the governor about any projects that they want to do at the ward level?
Yes, they have.
And what?
Sure, that is the question I wanted to add on the last one. So.
And what happened?
Governor has been telling them, let's come, sit down together, discuss about the modalities, so that we are going to ensure whatever we are going to do is within the law. That has been the take for the governor, and that one has never happened. In all the attempts, including the message from the governor that was read to the county assembly by the speaker, the same was done.
And how about bursaries from the governor's office? How do they reach the people down at the ground?
Bursaries are part of this fund, whereby, for example, when you go to ward like Nkwene, out of the 10 equalization million fund, there is 3 million for bursary, there is 2 million for water, there is 1 million for loans, a total of that equalization fund.
And how do you get to know the needy children from the wards, you know, from the governor going down to the ward without the MCAs being involved?
There is a committee, there is laws that were passed, an act that was passed by the county government of Meru that is governing the same.